not be able to make it sit, let it sit for 30 minutes.
Oh. Yeah, but we can bring apparently we're allowed to bring, if we bring the samples out at the time, there's still going to be a line for the judges, so we can let the judges.
Absolutely correct.
So I think we'll have enough time.
Isn't that cool to have like a Scandinavian?
A little bit. Like that.
Add the bacon and
The bacon's in there.
Italian risotto. It's pretty good. We're almost done. We have 29 and then after the skirt.
Okay, next layer.
That much, and so I wanted to find a recipe that I like. Also, my mom used to make it for me when I was little.
A lot of the ingredients are already pre-made or store-bought. My dad taught me how to make it. A tortilla with guacamole and then sauerkraut and then the sausage and then mustard, mayonnaise, and ketchup.
With cheese, we actually put in it was like some cheddar, of course leeks, and potatoes. I changed a couple things in the recipe we found. I added carrots and celery.
Finally to the chefs. What a job you all did today. I know there's a lot of nerves going around. I see a lot of nervous parents too, but fantastic job. Huge round of applause for our participants today. Milo Springer and the Goats of the Risotto. Come on up to get your participant medal. And Rudy, come on. Come on. This is Emily Rogers. Next is Sophia Nelson. First runner up today, Ava Ruby. Come on up. Our grand champion, first place for the 2026 Future Chefs is Audrey DeWall. Come on down. And that leaves our People's Choice Award, Fernando Gutierrez. Come on down. Big round of applause for all the participants. We will want to
Well, I chose it because I felt like it was like Scandinavia. A Scandinavian recipe was kind of what it would be looking for, and then also I feel like it was good because it just felt right to me. And I was pretty confident until we found out that we messed up a thing, and we were supposed to add 6 more cups of flour than we did. That's what it was, like sticky and chewy. It was supposed to be more like an actual cookie, like a chocolate chip cookie. I was pretty sure they didn't like it or something, and then like that happened, and I was very, very, very surprised. Because I mean, it was pretty good in flavor. I didn't like the texture that much though. I was like, Audrey, don't cry if it's not you. Don't cry if it's not you. Because all the time I like whenever I like don't win something, I'm notorious for like crying, and I didn't want to like make a scene. And then I was like, what? When they called me, I was like, huh? Wait, what? I was like, am I hallucinating? I was like 100% not thinking it was gonna be me. So I got this certificate for participation, a colander. It has whatever this thing is, and then large and small mixing bowls, 5 measuring cups, a thermometer, a frother, a cookbook, a cutting board.